Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ha ka arpuway trik ubna jemang arhajar arpuway menteri rangba jong ka sarkar jilla Conrad kongkal sangma ulah Kular ba ka sarkar kan thawla ban Pynbiang nya ki Jingdonkam ka Holy Cross Hospital Tura. Conrad ubalalaj ban jurip bat yakendo ye ki bor penya jong ka hospital ulah ai khublai ya ka jing IT jong ki nongtre hapdeng ka jing tenjo ka bashir khai hakini ki sngi ban te ala kam ye ka jing pang COVID-19. Hagani ke sngi la IT ru ya ka oxygen concentrator shakani ke jaka ajing sumar.
I have just visited the Holy Cross Hospital and we just discussed with the sisters, the doctors out here and the management on how the Holy Cross Hospital could also give assistance in a situation where things could become more serious and if they do, and in case there's a requirement of more beds, then how Holy Cross could assist the government in ensuring that services are given to the people, and that would involve increase of manpower and even the infrastructural investment in the hospital. And we had a detailed discussion on that, on what would be the manpower requirement and how the government could support them, and what would be the investment requirement and how the government could support them. So I'm very thankful to the sisters, Holy Cross, and to the management and doctors for giving a very positive response. We are very hopeful that we will be able to create some infrastructure and create more beds to fight this entire situation of COVID in Tura and West Karo Hills district.